anxiety, it's not anything other than our own physical, emotional, psychological response to a stimuli, right? So,
Yes, no, absolutely. The thoughts, I love that you just said the thoughts are actually not.
Not sure what this came off of. Had a nice big blower. So I'm using that. It's a non-chrome aluminum looking thing. And the non-chrome, more modern Hemi. These are more older. I think vintage. Almost exact same size. Got one glued on here already. Yeah. I found these somewhere too. From something. I don't know what. They have a little offset. So let's see. Be this side. Worked just perfect. Again, inside the spring. Oops. This will sit right on top of there, nice. Got that offset on there just like it's made for it too. Tearing it off a little bit, but it's perfect. This with a little chrome all over little bits. I scraped it off this before I did the black. This is the marker. Like my model desk. Like my front view, my front window. It's beautiful. Right. Night, guys. Going to bed.